Withlacoochee River on a rainy day. That is one massive tree. It's huge. Really, really nice tree. Just filled up with orchids, ferns, epiphytes, air plants, Spanish moss. It's a big old tree. Vines. Very nice. That is one massive tree. It's huge. Really, really nice tree. Just filled up with orchids, ferns, epiphytes, air plants, Spanish moss. It's a big old tree. Vines. Very nice. You could see with all the rain that we've had here that I'm at Potts Preserve today. Some of the campgrounds are inundated with water. I've camped here a lot. Used that fire ring right there a lot. And it's surrounded by, looks like some knuckleheads left a bunch of trash in there, but it's almost underwater now. So river levels have really gone up quite a bit. Go see what the other campsite looks like. Here's another one of the flooded campsites with the rising Withlacoochee River. There's one more over here. Let's see how this one is. If it's faring any better. I think the next one's the most popular one. Yeah, this one's still high and dry. Man, there were some real knuckleheads out here that gets me so angry. They leave their trash here for responsible people that come out here to take it out. But there's a lot of knuckleheads in the human race, that's for sure. You can see, I mentioned this before, because normally the fall color in Florida arrives. Well, this knucklehead left shoes too. Oh, I can't just take it home and put it in the proper trash place, but knuckleheads. But you can see there, some of the trees have a fallish color to them already. And usually that's a November feature in Florida. I came across what several call a Native American midden, which is where they had a mound that is created from discarded, usually shells and things like that, over hundreds of years. And found some evidence here of some old discarded shells and things like that that show that it was once used extensively, or this was a settlement for early Native American tribes here, because this hillside here is just filled with shells and discarded shells and things like that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Came across this land snail here. Kind of cool. Nice shell. Eating whatever they eat. Mold and fungus, I guess, since they're slimy. That's pretty cool. That's a nice find. Don't normally see that. could see for north central Florida, or west central, northwest central Florida, Potts Preserve really has a tropical feel to it. There's a lot of these palms. Air plants everywhere, Spanish moss, ferns. It's almost like being further south. It's a very unique place. Except for the knuckleheads who leave trash at the campgrounds. There should be a special place in hell for them. And as always, make sure you sign in when you're on the trails so people know where you're at. You don't want to get lost on the trails. We got some interesting individuals out there hiking today.